Kick things off with a bang. Ever wondered how to whip up a delectable chocolate cake from the comfort of your own kitchen? We've got the answers, and they're simpler than you might think. Start with the basics: fresh eggs, sugar, and butter. But wait, don't forget the star of the show: rich, dark chocolate. Mix these ingredients with a dash of love and a sprinkle of laughter. Now brace yourself for the secret ingredient. No, not more chocolate, though that's never a bad idea. It's a pinch of instant coffee. Surprised? It enhances the chocolate flavor, taking your cake from to wow. Pop your masterpiece into the oven, and while it bakes, let's talk frosting. Creamy butter, powdered sugar, cocoa powder, and a splash of vanilla extract combine for a topping that's pure heaven. Once your cake is cooled, slather on that decadent frosting. There you have it, a homemade chocolate cake that'll earn you the title of Star Baker. It's not just about the cake, it's about the joy of creating something delicious. So grab your apron, let the fun begin, and remember, laughter is the best ingredient. Until next time, keep baking and keep smiling.